So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are back with a Python program, and this time we have a task to write a code to input three angles of a triangle and check if the triangle is valid or not. So basically we all know that a triangle has three angles, right? And the sum of all angles is equals to 180 degree, right? So all three angles, when those three angles are summed up, then their final result should be equal to 180 degree. So let's dive into it. So the first thing first, what I have to do, I have to take the input from the user of the angle 1, and I'm typecasting it into integer. Alright, so I have taken the input from the user. I have taken the three angles from the user. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to put a condition. If angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, if we sum all three angles, then it should be equal to 180 degree. And if it's 180 degree, then we have to print triangle is valid. And if it's not, then obviously we're gonna print triangle is not valid, right? So this is the basic code for the given task, and let's run this. So I am just entering the first angle, that is 90. Second angle that I'm gonna do here is 60, and then 30. So it says that triangle is valid because if you sum 90 into 60, then 150, and then into 30, which is equals to 180. So it says that the triangle is valid. Let's run this again. Now this time I'm writing 50, 60 and 30. So it says like triangle is not valid because 50 into 60 is 110, and 30, so 140, which is not equals to 180. So this is a basic program for the given task. I hope you like it, and if you understand this, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.